Here is today's home buying tip from the Home Buyer's Agent.
There are many things to consider when buying a home, but lots of home buyers don't know about the improvements in floor plans that have happened over the last 100 years. Each decade brings different design developments, but for this tip, we're going to be comparing a typical 1930s home with a similar-sized home from the 1970s. First, by the 1970s, almost every home was built with an attached garage. That would have been very unusual for a home built in the 30s. Second, most homes built in the 1930s would have had a single front door and a single side or rear door. By the 70s, most homes had a sliding glass door to the backyard from the kitchen, dining room, or family room. This made access to the backyard dramatically better. Third, the closets in 1930s homes were not much larger than the doorway into the closet because people didn't have large wardrobes back then. By the 70s, many bedroom closets had double doors and some were even walk-ins. Fourth, kitchens in 1970s homes are generally larger and always have room for a refrigerator. Back in the 30s, refrigerators were just starting to be widely adopted, so often they were not conveniently located. Dishwashers also became common in new homes in the 70s. Finally, having a dry basement with a reasonably high ceiling was unusual in homes built in the 30s. By the 70s, finished family rooms in dry, comfortable basements were very common in new homes. Choosing the right home is more involved than just looking at the design of a home, but it's also something you don't want to overlook. That's it for today. See you next time.